Where better to start Green Week than in the European Green Capital, which is Ljubljana. Welcome to Ljubljana.
From the 30th of May to the 3rd of June, events and activities across Europe will focus on green investment. We will be looking at investments that are good for the economy and good for the environment. Investments that will build a sustainable future. We will be talking to game changers from the financial and business sectors and presenting role models for a greener future. Twitter chats, lots of social media and more online content than ever before mean you will be able to follow Green Week 2016 from wherever you are. A greener future is within our reach. Join us online to find out how. See you soon.